Let's learn English Tagalog short phrases using take, took, and taken. Huminga ako ng malalim. I take a deep breath. Kinuha ko yun sa kanya kahapon. I took it from him yesterday. Kinuha iyon sa kanya. It was taken from him. Kuhanan mo ng litrato. Take a picture of it. Kinunan ko siya ng litrato kahapon. I took a picture of him yesterday. Kinunan iyan ng litrato kahapon. It was taken a picture yesterday. Kunin na natin ang pagkain. Let's take the food. Kinuha ko ang mansanas sa mesa. I took the apple on the table. Kinuha iyon ng walang paalam. It was taken without permission. Naligo naman ako. I take a bath. Naligo ako bandang 1:00 ng hapon. I took a bath around 1 in the afternoon. Ang damit ay kinuha 3 araw na ang nakalilipas. The clothes were taken 3 days ago. Sinamantala ko ang oportunidad. I take the opportunity. Huwag mo masyadong seryosohin. Don't take it seriously. Hindi ko alam kung sino at paano kinuha yon. I don't know who and how it was taken. Malamang kinuha nila ang mga iyon. Probably they have taken them. Kinuha niya ang gusto niya. She took what she wanted. Naisip ko kung sino ang kumuha nito. I surmised who had taken it. May kinuha siya sa akin. She took something from me. Saan ba kinunan yon? Where was that taken? May nakaupo na ba dito? Is this seat taken? Ito ay dapat alagaan. This should be taken care of. Dapat gawin ang agarang aksyon. Urgent action must be taken. Ano bang hakbang ang dapat gawin? What action should be taken? Papayag ka ba kung ilalabas kita? Will you agree if I take you out? Inabot ako ng 1 oras bago matapos ito. It took me an hour to finish it.